So yes, hi guys, welcome back to Sneha's Pharmacy. And yes, someone has asked me for reference books. So ఒక్క reference book గురించి ఏం చెప్పాలి. I thought that let's make a video of reference books of all the subjects. టోటల్ ఫార్మసీ మన ఫార్మసీలో ఎన్ని సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయో అవన్నిటికి రెఫరెన్స్ బుక్స్ నేను మీకు చెప్తాను. సో ఇఫ్ ఎట్ ఆల్ ఈ వీడియో ఎడిట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇఫ్ ఐ గెట్ ది బుక్స్ ఏమంటారు ద ఫ్రంట్ పేజ్ అది కూడా నేను ఇంక్లూడ్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తాను. అండ్ వెన్ ఐ వాజ్ స్టడింగ్ మై గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ ఐ ఆల్సో హ్యాడ్ ఆల్ సాఫ్ట్ కాపీస్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ బట్ those are in my PC and now my PC is like ఇట్స్ అండర్ ఏమంటారు ఎలుకలు దాని వైర్లన్నీ కొట్టేసి అది I need to change the wiring system for that. So I don't have time in this COVID. This COVID is like we can't go out. So if at all, if I'm able to fix that, I'll even add the soft copies in the video description below. If not, I'll provide any online soft copies, you know soft copy links in the description below. So generally when we talk about pharmacy, it is a huge topics are divided, I'll divide the main subjects are like chemistry, pharmaceutics, and pharmacology, pharmacognosy, pharmaceutical analysis. These are the main subjects, and in those subjects again we have in different types of sub divisions like. So avanni nenu divide chesi I have tried to present it in an neat manner. So coming to chemistry, we have inorganic chemistry. So inorganic chemistry we have G.R. Chatwal, Bentley, and you can also refer Pharmacopoeia, that is Indian Pharmacopoeia, and Martindale not much, but inorganic chemistry, this one book G.R. Chatwal is enough, and some notes from some small hand what I can say, handbooks we have in library for all subjects. You can also refer those handbooks for this inorganic chemistry, and also the lab notes we have, no, you can also refer the lab notes as well for some topics for this inorganic chemistry. And then we have organic chemistry. So organic chemistry, Morrison and Bard and R.K. Bansal and Ferguson not much, but I'm not remembering that book. That book, I'll mention it on the screen. Morrison and R.K. Bansal are the main books for organic chemistry. And for biochemistry, you can absolutely, without doubt, you can go for UV Satyanarayana. And for some topics, you can go for Lippincott William. And mostly I read from UV Satyanarayana and some notes given by my ma'am. Then medicinal chemistry. Okay, medicinal chemistry you can go for Wilson and Giswell, W.O. Foy, S.N. Pandya, O.P. Agarwal, and O.P. Agarwal, this is for natural products. And then we also have something like physical chemistry. For that you can refer Atkins for GPAT and all. Okay. And for pharmaceutics, now pharmaceutics, in that when I was studying my graduation, it was like it was like pharmaceutics, just pharmaceutics, but now it got termed as general pharmacy. Everything has changed, and the syllabus has also got changed, like the whole pharmaceutics what we read in first year, total year, like when I was in my graduation, the first year was like total entire one sem, but now it is divided as sem 1 and sem 2. So what I read in sem, the whole first year, it is divided as sem 1 and sem 2 now in the newer versions. So so okay, keeping all that aside, for pharmaceutics you can refer Lackman. So this is a standard book, guys. I also have this book, and most of the topics you can get in Lachman. And then you have Remington, and also you can refer some IP, Indian Pharmacopoeias, and Martin and NK Jain for a new drug delivery system. Actually you can see this new drug delivery system in Lachman as well, but some topics you can cover it in NK Jain as well. And when you talk about pharmaceutics, calculations are main important in first year, first sem, as well as in some GPAT questions or any competitive pharma question exams as well. So for calculations you can refer NK Jain, mostly NK Jain. And mostly you'll get in NK Jain, and for some you can refer Cooper and Guns, and others if you want still more, then you can go for RK Mehta, Bentley, Ansel, and GK Jani. Okay, so these are the books for calculations. And then for pharmaceutical engineering, now for pharmaceutical engineering, most of the topics will be in CVS Subramaniam and Sambamurthy, but the Lackman also has something, some topics are covered in Lackman as well. Now then going to DFT, that is dosage formulation and design, mostly Lackman, and yeah, mostly Lackman. And then cosmetic technology, we have PP Sharma. Okay, then coming to pharmacology, the vast topic, and the most important topic even for other competitive exams, because you know like 30 to 40% of questions will be from pharmacology, will be covered from pharmacology in all competitive exams. So for that you can refer Rangendale and Lippincott William. Rangendale is a it's a standard book. And then pharmaceutical analysis గురించి చెప్పదు, like it also covers the max of the questions in competitive exams. So mainly you can refer Pavia, Silverstein are the main standard books. And then you can also go for Vogel, Skoog, and Y.R. Sharma. This is like just for like these SEM syllabus, you can go for Y.R. Sharma and also Willard. Okay, and then we have pharmacognosy. Okay, so ఈ కెమిస్ట్రీ స్యూటిక్స్ అనాలిసిస్ ఇవే కాకుండా pharmacognosy also plays an important role when it comes for competitive exams, because at least 5 to 10% of questions compulsory will be from pharmacognosy, and the reference books are Cockatay. The standard book is Cockatay, and you can also refer for Tress and Evans for some pharmacognosy, history, evolution, and some other topics, and Ayurveda, Unani, you can all get in this Cockatay and Tress and Evans. Then we have some Willens and Kandalwal, and also you can refer some handbooks for these some preparations we have in pharmacognosy in SEM 2, I think. Yeah, in second SEM. In which year I think in 3-2 I think we have some preparations and all some vast cognosy subject. You can refer some lab books as well for pharmacognosy. And then for APHE, that is anatomy, physiology of human education. Now it has been changed, I think the name something like human and physical anatomy, something it has changed. And for that the standard book is Totara. Now coming to this Totara, this is a book which is followed by MBBS students, and none of the libraries will afford this, but I thank my college library, and I have studied in Sarojini Naidu Vanta Pharmacy Mahavidyalaya. Okay, so ఆ లైబ్రరీకి బాగా మస్కా కొట్టేదాన్ని అనమాట నేను. మ్యామ్ బుక్స్ అని ఆమె తల తినేసేదాన్ని నేను. సో అందరు వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత అమ్మ ఇస్తా అంటుండే. నేను కాలేజ్ హాస్టల్ అనమాట. సో అందరు వెళ్ళిపోయిన తర్వాత వెళ్ళిపోయి తెచ్చుకునేదాన్ని బుక్స్. సో యాక్చువల్లీ లైబ్రరీలో విల్ హ్యావ్ సమ్ బుక్స్ generally at the start of the sem they'll give some books for each and every subject, and for reference we can take some books like max 4 I think, but I used to take like 10 books. Yeah, I have referred lots of books. Actually నేను గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు నా క్లాస్లో కన్నా ఎక్కువ లైబ్రరీలోనే నా టైం స్పెండ్ చేసేదాన్ని. I have read hundreds of books really. So yes, coming to this APHE, you can refer Totaro, Rawson Wilson and C.C. Chatterjee. Then microbiology, yes, microbiology నుంచి కూడా 1 to 2% questions compulsory వస్తాయి, and those for this microbiology you can refer Pelzar and Prescott. And biopharmaceuticals and pharmacokinetics, from this the calculations are very important even for the point of SEM, as well as through as well as even నా ఇంగ్లీష్కి ఏమైంది ఓకే యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ఫర్ దీస్ competitive exams like Brahmankar, Venkateshwarlu, Remington and Shargal are the books for pharmacokinetics and biopharmaceutics and pharmacokinetics. Then pharmacojurisprudence, for this NK Jain and Kuchekar. These 2 books are more than enough. And clinical pharmacy, Leon Shargal. And pharmaceutical biotechnology, we have SS Cody. And most of the information this biotechnology, it is linked with this inorganic chemistry and pharmacology and pharmaceutical analysis, so you can actually get through those. Then pharmaceutical business management, we have OP Khanna, CVS Subramaniam, and SV Subbara. And pharmaceutical business management, actually I have referred only OP Khanna and CVS Subramaniam, and the rest others, everything notes was given by ma'am, so sweet of her. And HCP, we have hospital and clinical pharmacy. Actually for this, everything I haven't referred even a single textbook, because my ma'am was really so sweet. She gave all the notes, and HCP is mostly the topics will be covered from pharmacology and pharmaceutical chemistry and natural chemistry, like everything will be interlinked in this HCP. Once if you are thorough with your analysis and pharmacology, then you can easily attempt this HCP. Then environmental studies, the book was Anjanelu and some other books, but I haven't read other books. I read only these two books. Now what is this JNTU means? The JNTU has some has one environmental studies JNTU book. మీరు కోటిలో వెళ్ళి అడిగితే ఈజీగా ఇచ్చేస్తారు. సో ఆ బుక్ నేను రెఫర్ చేశాను, ఈ టూ బుక్స్. సో మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద టాపిక్స్ విల్ బీ కవర్డ్ ఇన్ దిస్ JNTU బుక్ ఓన్లీ. సో యాక్చువల్లీ మనకి జీపాట్లో వాటిలో కూడా ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ స్టడీస్ ఓకే రేర్గా వస్తాయి, అదో కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ దట్ క్యాన్ బీ covered in this JNTU book, not much so importance. Yes, it is there, rarely you will get from this environmental studies. Okay, so ivanni pakkana petteste, like when you are studying for the SEM exams, I would give one suggestion is that not only these books but go through the net and YouTube as well as some SlideShare. ఇంకా నేను కొన్ని వెబ్సైట్స్ ఫాలో అయ్యేదాన్ని. ఐ విల్ గివ్ ఆల్ ద లింక్స్. మెయిన్గా SlideShare నుంచి కూడా కొన్ని టాపిక్స్ మనకి చాలా మంచిగా కవర్ అవుతాయి. సో ఎస్, very soon I will cover each and every topic from these all subjects. I'm planning, but I'm not getting time to do those all because of my busy schedule and long working hours. In spite of this long working hours, I am taking time to do this because I love pharmacy. I don't know why, but due to some reasons I started hating this pharmacy. But if I go back and leave in my graduations, then I love pharmacy. So, and when I was in my pharmacy, like my college was, and even now my college is like in top 4 or top 3 I think right now. I don't remember the correct exact number, but it is still in top 5 colleges in pharma colleges. So I have gained a lot of knowledge through this, not only from my college, but I also went for long term coaching in Masters Pharma Academy. Like ఎవరికైనా ఫార్మా స్టూడెంట్స్కి మాస్టర్స్ ఫార్మా అకాడమీ గురించి తెలుస్తుంది. లైక్ ది నైపేరియన్స్, ది past Niparians, they together combined and they have started this academy, Masters Pharma Academy. So దిల్సుఖ్ నగర్లో ఉంటుంది. ఎవరైనా ఫార్మా ఆస్పిరెంట్స్ ఉంటే లైక్ జీపాట్ నైపర్కి ఎయిమ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటే దెన్ యూ క్యాన్ విజిట్ దిస్ Masters Pharma Academy. I'll give the link in the description below. And I have gained a lot of knowledge from Masters Pharma Academy, even though I haven't qualified in GPAT, but I have tons of pharma knowledge in my this మరీ నేనేం ఫార్మా ఎక్స్పర్ట్ అని చెప్పను, బట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ గెయిన్డ్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఫ్రమ్ మై కాలేజ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, ఫ్రమ్ మై లైబ్రరీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, అండ్ ఫ్రమ్ ది net experience, from the YouTube experience, and also from my Masters Pharma Academy. And this is all about the pharma reference book, and this is Neha signing off. Bye. And yes, ఈ వీడియో మీకు కొంచెమన్నా యూస్ఫుల్ అయింటే, ఇఫ్ యూ ఫైండ్ దిస్ వీడియో at least 1% అన్న యూస్ఫుల్ అయింటే, ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్, లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ టు Sneha's Pharmacy. And this is Neha signing off. Bye.